Hello and good morning, everyone. Today we are going to sum up this chapter, political parties. Uh, as far as I remember, we have already completed half of or more than half of the chapter, starting from here till, if we talk about, we've done till the state parties, we've completed them, the regional party, the state party. We need to start with challenges to political parties, but before we begin with this, my usual thing, let us start from the first page again so that we are able to revise it a bit, although I'll just give you a very brief review of the chapter, the things that we have already read. Okay, now when the chapter starts, obviously political parties, the first thing that we must remember is what are political parties. This is, the definition is clearly given here. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. And now I have seen and met many people and many students who say, ma'am, is it necessary to learn everything that's given in the book? No, it is not at all necessary. Only and only there are a few conditions to it, that even if you write it in your own words, you must be very sure of the fact that whatever you are writing is perfectly correct, first thing, and is also accommodating every information that is given in your book. This is something very important. If you are not doing that, yeah, now first you say that I don't want to learn it. Great, don't learn it, write it in your own words, but then you are not able to satisfy the answer. No, yeah, that's a big problem. So people who struggle with a bit of English, with English, and are somehow not able to write everything, are always advised to learn things. Yeah, history and civics is more about learning. Yeah, you must remember that. Now this is the meaning of political party. This is something that we must remember here. This is very important. Then we talk about here, then we talk about the partisanship as well as the three major components of a political party, that are the leaders, the active members, and the followers. Then we come to this approximately a 5-mark question which talks about the functions. There are 7 basic functions and you must learn them in serial order the way they are given. First is to contest elections. Second is policies, making of policies and programs. The third one is making laws. Fourth is form and run governments. Fifth one talks about the role of opposition. The sixth one talks about shaping public opinion, and the seventh one, or the last one, talks about the access of government machinery to access to the government programs made by the government. Access to whom? Access to the public. That means people, the normal people, yeah, the citizens must be able to access the policies that are made by the government. They must not only be in written, not only in black and blue. They should be practical and it should be available to the people as well. Then we talk about the necessity, that why do we need the political parties. Then here we talk about the three types of party systems: the one party, two party, and multi-party, out of which India follows the multi-party system. For one party and two party, I have already explained it to you, and I hope you have written the what should I say, examples in your book. For one party, what example do you have? If you are able to say it in your mind, that's really good. If you are not able to find an example, you are somehow lacking at a lot of points. Please start learning things. One party can be China, two party is this UK and USA. And third one is obviously multi-party. We are the biggest ones, multi-parties. Now how many parties should we have? Now here we did talk about the most important part, ki how many parties, kitni parties actually हमारे पास होनी चाहिए. और just because, and now why do we have a multi-party system? Just because we are so diverse. We have a cultural diversity, we have linguistic diversity, we have so many religions that are not there in the rest of the countries. That is why we follow multi-party system. Okay, now then you talk about the national political parties and the state political parties. Here the most important things that we talk about, just a second, the talk about our first thing is, just a second, first we must learn, or we all must learn this part, that it says what are the needs for becoming a political party, I mean a national political party, and there's some eligibility criteria basically, that if you are able to win. See, it clearly says a party that secures at least oh my god, sorry, yeah, it's written here somewhere. I don't want to draw that line there, it's too bold. I think I should do this. Shall we let help? Yeah, this would help. Okay, I didn't do that. Okay, so now the party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election in the legislative assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as the state party. It's clearly written here, these parts. Please read them, please write them somewhere and learn them. They will surely come. If you talk about, if there's any question about political party, you must mention it. These are the things that you are supposed to mention. The biggest problem is, just because of this COVID and all, I am not able to tell you how to write. Even I have checked your so many papers, you are not writing the way these should be written. Yeah, that is why I have to, if there's any question related to political parties, I'm not talking about the context, I'm talking about the chapter political parties. There are a few things that you must include no matter what the question asks you. Yeah, just because these chapters are of that kind that you can literally beat about the bush. Yeah, so don't think only and only of the content, or maybe only and only of the thing that the question asks. You have to tell a bit here and there about the topic as well. Okay, then we talk about the Indian National Congress. These 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6. One was sent to me, I'll explain it right now. So the INC, BJP, BSP, CPIM and CPI and NCP, these were the 6 major national parties. I have already taught you. I hope most of you have already made the notes. Those who have not made the notes, I don't know how to tell you. Okay, yeah, and then I hope it's recording. Yeah, this is the 7th one, AITC, the All India Trinamool Congress. When I had sent you the PPT, and if there's anyone who has lost the PPT or wants to see it again, tell me. I'll tell you something and then you can go and watch it there. Now, launched on 1st January 1998 under the leadership of Mamata Banerjee, recognized as a national party in 2016 में ये आ गई है. That means you people have the new book, I have the old version maybe. The party's symbol is flower and grass. If you can see, we have already discussed about it, that this is the symbol, and you must remember the symbols. Symbols are somewhat very important. Committed to secularism and federalism. ये भी वही वाला है. Secularism भाई ये कहते हैं, but somehow when you talk about them, or maybe when you go into deep and study about this type of a party, you will find that they are somehow not living up to their motto. Now, he has been in power in West Bengal since 2011. Also has a presence in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. In the general elections held in 2014, it got 3.84% and 134 seats, making it 4th largest party in the Lok Sabha. तो आप AITC के बारे में भी you need to learn, just because this is there are major things. Although when you talk about board exams, they don't ask you about any specific political party, but maybe they tell you to write a short note on all the political parties, and then you will have to include all 7. You cannot miss, be it a 5-mark question, be it a 3-mark question, you cannot miss even one. You miss one and you lose marks. So give it your best. If it is a 3-mark question, simply name them. Okay, and if it is a 5-mark question, mention all the 7 political parties, and then you need to describe them as well. You can give 2-3 lines. Don't write a lot, but yes, you have to include all of them. This is what you people don't do. If it is a 5-mark question, most of you will write only 4. Arey, discount offer chal raha hai yahan pe. No, there's no discount. 7 means 7. Similarly, functions, if there are 7, means 7. It does not matter until and unless the question correctly says write only 5 functions, then you write 5. Otherwise, never ever try to bargaining मत करो मेरे साथ या बोर्ड वालों के साथ, प्लीज. जितना लिखा है सब लिखना है. कोई यहाँ पे वो बिग बाजार का ऑफर नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, so this is something very important. इनके बारे में भी थोड़ा सा please write it. And this is Mamata Banerjee. All the leaders, you must remember which party is led by whom. Okay, and when was it formed? If you can learn it, that would be really good. Okay, and then motto is something very important. जैसे इसमें secularism and federalism है, सबके पास अलग अलग अपने अपने हैं भाई. Somebody, there are some, when you talk about Basapa, it works for the lower caste. या when you talk about ये INC के बारे में जब आप बात करेंगे, कांग्रेस के बारे में बात करेंगे, तो वो ये कहते हैं कि we work for the poor people. poor people के लिए तो सभी लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this was AITC. Then we come back to the state parties, to the regional parties. ये दोनों का एक ही मतलब होता है. Please don't get confused. Ma'am, you have not taught us regional party. State party or regional party means the same thing. There are these many parties. Please go through them. Although there are not many questions that are formed out of these, but you can obviously there can be a 1 mark question or a 3 mark question which talks about what is the importance of state parties or on what basis are state parties chosen. तो आपको eligibility लिखनी पड़ेगी उनकी वहाँ पे. Okay, let us finish this chapter and I'll tell you hundreds of questions that can be formed from the chapters. Okay, now we come to this part that we need to start challenges to political parties. It is already an 11-minute video, so I'll just start another video so that I'm able to finish this in the next video. Okay, I don't want to make it very lengthy just because it becomes extremely difficult for me to send it otherwise. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video then.